everyone, today I'm going to show you how to draw and watercolor paint a cactus. This is a really fun and simple beginner tutorial, so let's get started. First, we're just going to draw an oval that tapers at the bottom. This is going to be the body of the cactus. Then we'll add some more tapered shapes for little offshoots. And I just drew a basic pot shape at the bottom. It was nothing fancy. And then it was time to erase. There was actually a little purple watercolor on my eraser when I did this, and it made a mark, but that's okay, we're just gonna continue on. I started with a sage green watercolor filling in the cactus. Then I added different shades of green, wet on wet, to give the cactus depth. And I sat it aside to dry. Next, I painted the pot in shades of blue and purple. I outlined the cactus and created shadows with some dark sage green. Then I added an opaque sage to the middle. Using a bright dark pink, I painted flowers on the offshoots. And I let everything dry again. Using a dark green, I made tiny little needles all over the cactus. I outlined and added shadows to the pot using dark blue. Then I sporadically placed little white needles on the cactus as well. A really light wash of blue for the background. And use the paintbrush to flick blue and purple specks all over the page. Last, I used a dark marker to outline the pot and added more blue. And that's it. See, I told you this was easy, but let me know what you think in the comments down below. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe. See you next time. Have a great day.